Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to know if someone is online on Instagram. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, so first off, you can see when an account you follow and anyone you message was last active or is currently active on Instagram when you both have the activity status turned on. Now, if that's turned off, you won't be able to see them as well. Okay? So just make sure that you enable it. Now, if you don't know how to enable your active status, okay, you can just go out over to your profile, tap on 3 horizontal lines, and then just use the search bar and find status. And here we have a show activity status. Tap on it, and again, make sure that you enable it, okay? Just like so. Now, once that's enabled, you can now go ahead and know if someone is online. Now, the first option to see if someone is online is that you'll be able to see a green icon or a timestamp next to their profile. Okay, well, that means that they're online. The second one, in your direct inbox or DM, you'll see their most recent activity status, like active 25 minutes ago, active few minutes ago, or few seconds ago. Okay, you could also see them typing or got this message that says seen. Okay. Now, the third option is when you go ahead and open up a chat, you'll be able to see that they're online. Right here at the bottom of their profile, you have the green icon as well. Or you'll be able to see a text that says in the chat or in the camera. All right. As a bonus right here, you can go ahead and check their, what do you call this? Stories. Let's say the story right here. Now, if it says posted minutes ago, well, that means that by that time they were online. All right, there you have it. Those are the ways to know if someone is online on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.